What it do, YouTube? It's your boy MJ. You can call me Montrel. Whatever you want to call me, you do it. This is going to be a video on helping you buy your first house and everything you need to do to buying your first house. So let's get into it. First, to get started, determine your budget. Access your financial situation, which means your expenses, your income, your savings, everything that you have going on with yourself. Access that and really determine, okay, is this something that I'm able to even go into and purchase? Because this is going to be your biggest purchase that you're going for. So make sure you have all that in line of what you have, your income. If you have debt, check all that out. Check it out and make sure that you're able to make sure you can get your first house. Second step, please get pre-approved for your mortgage. Do not go out there and start house hunting without you getting pre-approved without your mortgage, which means that you're going to your bank, which is also called a lender, to let you say, hey, am I able to get this $200,000, $300,000 loan to help me go and get this house? Make sure you're approved to be able to go do that. Go to the bank and say, hey, I want to go purchase this house. How much am I able to get approved for? The bank will go in there and check and see. And that's why I said with step one, making sure that your debt, your expenses, everything that you have going on with you, make sure you have that all in line. You want to make sure you're able to go purchase this house because, like I said, this is expensive. This is your biggest purchase. So you want to make sure that you have everything in line as you being that man, that woman. Make sure you have that in line to be able to say, hey, I'm able to go purchase and I'm able to go and I'm about to go buy my first house and I'm able to do it, which means credit score, all that. Step 3, please understand your needs and your wants. Make a list of everything that you want with your house, which means your amenities. If you want a certain color, your furniture, think about how you want the house to be structured. If you want a new construction house, if you want your house built, make sure you, all right, if I want this, if I want a porch in the front, make sure you got that in line. If you want a porch in the back, make sure you got that in line. Have all this in line so you're great. Step number 4, get in touch with an agent, which means me. Get in touch with me. If you need something with a house, some land, get in touch with me and I'll be able to help you out. I'll be able to guide you to say, hey, if you're able to go, if you need to go talk to a lender, I'll be able to put you in touch with the lender. I'll be able to make sure that, hey, if you need these, enhancements, I'll be able to help you out. Get in touch with a real estate agent like me, and we'll be able to really get you in touch and get you connected to what you need to do, get you to the house that you would like, getting you in the house you would like. I mean, we're the key. Step number 5, research your neighborhoods. Make sure it's the schools, the transportation, anything that you may need to make sure it's up to your lifestyle, your preference. Do your research for yourself about the neighborhoods. Do that. Make sure that is what you want to be around. And that's what we're going to do. So get in touch with me and I'll be able to really help you out and put you into, the next step of bringing you into your neighborhood. Step number 6, last step. Please conduct a thorough inspection before you go and purchase your house. This inspection is going to let you know what's going on with the roofing, the inside, the flooring, anything going on with the painting. Let you know what's going on with, the lifespan of the house. It gives you fully everything you need to know before you purchase that house, everything you need to know so you'll be great with that purchase that you're about to go get. So yeah, guys, I thank everybody for watching. I thank y'all for tuning in. I thank everybody. I really see that y'all are really, appreciating these videos that I'm putting out for y'all, and I'm appreciating y'all for, appreciating the video. So I am, like I said, I'm in real estate. If you have any, questions, if you are interested in any houses, buying or selling, I would be delighted to bringing you and putting you into your house. It's your boy MJ.